We'll be making the Mikasa scarf we just seen. Be using some acrylic yarn. This is weight 3 yarn. So you can use weight 4 or 5 depending on whatever is available for you. You'll also need a 4mm crochet hook, darning needle, and some scissors. So we are going to start with the foundation single crochet row. So we're going to place a slip knot. You're going to chain 2. Go through the first chain, pull up a loop. So you have 2 loops on your hook. So you're going to yarn over and pull through 1. So that will be considered as your chain. So now you're going to yarn over and pull through 2. So this is your first single crochet. So now you're going to go through this 2 loops at the bottom, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1. So this will be your second chain, and yarn over, pull through 2. So that's your second single crochet. So now you're going to go through that second chain. You're going to go through both the strands at the bottom, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, and yarn over, pull through 2. So this is your third single crochet. Yarn over, pull through 1. So that acts as the chain, and yarn over, pull through 2. So that's your single crochet. So you're going to continue this till you have at least 60 inches in length. So I finished working up my foundation row. So I have about 60 inches in length. So now I'm going to turn our work. I'm going to chain 1. So now we're going to work an extended single crochet. So I'm going to go through both the loops, yarn over, pull through. So it's same like, so in a single crochet we usually yarn over and pull through both, but in an extended single crochet you're going to yarn over and pull through 1 loop, and then yarn over and pull through both the loops. So that's my extended single crochet. Now for the rest of the row we are going to work only in the back loops. So again, go through the back loop, yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and then yarn over, pull through both on your crochet hook. So that's my extended single crochet. So we're going to continue this only working in the back loops. So you're going to continue this till you reach the end of the row, and I'll show you how to work your last extended single crochet. I've reached the last stitch, so I'm going to go through both my loops and place a extended single crochet. Turn my work, chain 1, go through both my loops and place an extended single crochet. So your first and your last stitch you're going to go through both the loops, and then you're going to work in the back loop only for the rest of the stitches. till you reach your last stitch, and then in the last stitch you're going to go through both the loops and place a extended single crochet. So you're going to continue with the same pattern like how you worked your second row. You're going to start with extended single crochet through both the loops and then work only in your back loop, reach the end of your row, and in the last stitch you're going to work through both the loops and extended single crochet. So you work about 5 inches and then I'll meet you at the end of the row. So I've made about 5 inches. So now I'm on to the last stitch. I'm going to chain 1 and for chain 1, and now we are going to single crochet the last row. Since our first row was single crochet foundation row, we're going to end it with a single crochet row as well. So chain 1, turn your work, and single crochet till the very end. So you are single crocheting in both the loops, and you're going to continue this till the end of the row. Okay, so we have completed the scarf and I have finished the last row, which is a single crochet. So let's add some tassels. You can keep the tassels however long you want it. I'm just going to measure about 10 inches. So I'm going to use 2 strands for 1 tassel. So we are going to go into so we're going to add the tassels in here. You can space it however you want. You can add 1 strand or 2 strand per row. So you're going to take your tassels, make sure they are even, and you're just going to go through, pull your tassel, and then you can just yarn away and pull through that. You're basically just making a knot and pull it. So that's 1 tassel of mine. Next one, I'm just going to go in here. I'm just going to use my hands, so you can make sure your tassels are even, approximately even, and then you're just going to put your fingers through that and so that's my second one. You're going to continue to add these tassels. So now you can just iron this, or you can just check to see if all your tassel ends are equal. If all your tassel ends are okay, you can see here that I have one long string, so I'm just going to cut those. So we've added both all the tassels and weaved in our ends as well. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Till next time. Bye bye.